Look over here, question number 3. 101 plus 1 1. Base power 2, base power 2. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. It will come over here. So the answer will be 1 0 0 0 base power 2. Now question number 4. 1 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0. 1 plus 0 1. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1 will come over here. So let me put this carry over here. I hope you understand. 1 plus 0 1. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. This one will come over here. Answer is 1 0 0 1 1 base power 2. Now question number 5. Look at the board very carefully and look at question number 5. Try to understand it. One 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 0 1. 1 0 1 1 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 times. So it will be 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 1. Carry 1. Left hand side. It will come over here. Answer is 1 1 0 1 0 0 base power 2. Now question number 6. I am saying look at the board. Look at this question very carefully. Look at this question very carefully. I am saying again. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1. So now question number 6. 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1 0 1 0 1 base power 2. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 times. 3 times is equal to 1. Carry 1. This one will come over here. So answer is 1 1 0 1 0 0 base power 2. Dear students, I have solved 6 questions and they are over here. In the light of these questions, I am giving you homework. Homework, question 7, question 8, question 9 and 10. You will do it by yourself. Try to do it. If you feel any difficulty, let me know. Write me in your comments. So if you will ask me to solve all the questions, no problem. I will solve all the questions on the board. But what I am thinking, you can do it by yourself. So it's your homework. Now, next topic. subtraction of binary numbers base power 2. This is question number 11. First of all, look at the board. Look at question number 1, question number 12, and look at my arrow. First of all, concentrate these all the things. Alright? Should I start? Okay. 110 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. This one will come over here. Answer will be 100. It looks like that it has been written over here 100. No, not 100. This is not 100. This is 100. The reason is that in binary number system we have only two digits, 0 and 1. It was an example, very easy question. Looks like that a question of class 1, but question number 12, try to understand that. 110 minus 101, how will you do it? You cannot subtract 1 from 0. So this 0 will ask this guy to give 1. When this one will go, when this one will give its 1 over here, it will be 0. And as soon as this one will come over here, it will be 2. Why? Because base power of binary is 2. If we are taking carry from left hand side, it will come to right hand and it will be 2. So the 2 is over here. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. See? 2. It was 1. It gave carry. Carry will come over here. It will become 2. 2 minus 1, 1. And here 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer will be 0, 0, 1 base power 2. And now, in the light of question number 12, pay your attention, question number 13. Try to understand what's happening over here. 1100 minus 1010. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 1, no way. Carry, take this carry. So the carry will come over here and this one will be 0. As soon as the carry will come to right hand side, it will be 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Here 0, minus 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So answer is 0, 0, 1, 0. Or you can say answer 1, 0 base power 2. Now question number 14. Take care of it. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 1. I hope you understand the system of carry. 0 minus 1, no way. Carry here, no carry. Carry from here, no carry. Carry from here, no carry. Why? They are all 0. They cannot give any carry. So, this guy will give its carry 1 to this side and it will be 0. This one will come over here, it will be 2. It will be 2. It will give 1. So 1 will be remaining over here. 2. It will give 1. 1 will be remaining over here. Here 2. Again 1. Here 2. It will be 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. This one also 0. So answer will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 base power 2. Or you can say 1 base power 2. Now homework. In the light of these all the questions, which I have solved over here on the board in front of you. So, in the light of these questions, I am giving you homework. Exercise 2.5. Homework. Question number 15, 16, 17 and 18. It's very necessary, students, that you will do this homework. When you do it and you feel any difficulty, let me know. I will solve those questions on the board. But mathematics needs practice. Practice and practice. So, if you will practice more and more, you will learn more and more. This is the advice of suggestion. I hope, not hope only, I believe you are listening and you will try your best.